Oh, we got some helicopters flying around our neighborhood right now. They're probably looking for somebody. They probably found somebody over here. I saw a Houston sheriff driving by here. So that's a police helicopter. We haven't seen this in like a couple years, remember?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Like, no, except the last time we saw it had its light on.
Yeah.
It was shining down everywhere.
Yeah, searching for something.
Yeah.
Crimes, Blue Lives Matter. All these hashtags.
Do they have an infrared? Oh, he's going in a circle. Yeah, he's looking for someone. He's going back in a circle.
Yeah, he must be in this
Yeah, that's right. I was like, you hear a helicopter.
Nice. It's the sheriff's copter.
No, it's not illegal.
It's not.
It's not illegal.
It's-
As long as you're not interfering with what they're doing, then it's not illegal.
Yeah.
Dude,
Look at all
look how many fucking roaches there are.
roaches.
cockroaches.
Oh shit! I'm going back.
Just be careful. Somewhere they're setting. Oh. Is there anything behind?
What the hell, America, with your fucking swords?
It's humidity.
Huh?
It's hot.
It's not. It's fine.
He checked here.